So in the previous video, and let me open again my code, we list all the different elements in the array using a for loop. And we're going to begin this with the forEach loop. So the forEach loop is going to, let me comment this line also. The forEach loop is going to run the same times as the elements that we have in the array. For example, let's say that you have an array of 4 different elements. The forEach loop is going to run 4 different times. So it's going to run 1 time per item in the array. And it's a good function, a good method to display or to iterate across all the different elements in the for loop. So the syntax is going to be like this. So you can see the variable is called cars. So let me copy this. And it's going to be like this, cars dot for each. And by the way, these are called array methods, because for example, here this cars is a global variable. You can use cars right here and hit enter. And when you click here and then you expand the proto, you are going to find the methods that you can apply into this array. And one of these is going to be the forEach loop. You can see that we have different options also, but these are methods that you can pass to all the arrays that you have in JavaScript. So you can see we have cars.forEach. And then here on the inside, we can pass an arrow function. So this is going to be the callback for this. So we have cars.forEach, and then we have the callback. In this case, we're going to pass a car right here. And you can name this variable wherever you want. Normally is recommended, for example, if you have an array with the plural name, the element that is inside the arrow function is going to be named like this, but in the singular way. So from here you can use console.log, and then you can use car. So you can save this and open the project, and now you can see that we access all the individual values from this array. So this code and this one are going to be the same, but for example, the second one uses the for loop, the first one uses the forEach array method. So you can see, for example, let me remove this. You can see that we have an arrow function right here. If you remember, you can remove the parentheses if you are passing only one argument into the function. So you can remove this part, and you can see the code is going to be smaller. And also, since we're using this arrow function and we only have one line, you can remove the braces like this. And now you can save this and open the project, and you can see the result is going to be the same. So compare this code with the other one that we have earlier for example, with this one. You can see that the amount of code is less in the case of the forEach loop. So remember something really important, the forEach loop is going to run once per item in the array. If we have multiple, let's say that we have 20 items in the array, the forEach loop is going to run 20 times. And this is great, for example, if you want to display the contents from a shopping cart, the forEach loop is going to be a great option. In the next video, we're going to see a similar method that is called map. So let's continue in the next video.